right, we're rolling out our sugar cookie dough for a quick and easy decorated cookie. Now just take anything that's the size that you want for the cookie. I'm going to do a nice large 4-inch. And then we grab our stencil. We're going to do a Christmas ball. I'm going to put it right there on the surface of the cookie. Press it down with the palm of your hand. And I'm going to take our cinnamon sugar, already mixed up. Sprinkle over that. And now you want to press those crystals down in there, so you can use a pastry brush or just the palm of your hand. Rub them down in there. And we're going to take this cookie, bake it, and we'll show you what it looks like in just a few minutes. Another fast and easy way to decorate your cookie dough before you bake it is to use these powdered food colors. And I have a link on our site for a place where you can get them. And all you need to do is just lightly brush. You can even use an artist brush for this. Over the stencil. And then you're going to bake it. And the color will bake right in with the dough.